Hello friends, I'm so very delightful while welcoming you in this course MS-900, that is Microsoft 365 Fundamental. Now, if we look at the growth story of Microsoft 365 since the time it launched in November 2015, we can see that it has consistent growth. In November 2015, it has almost around 60 million active users, and around April 2020, we can see that it has almost like 260 million users. In fact, after the pandemic in November 19, you can see that the growth of Microsoft 365 active users has increased further. And since the active users are increasing, it is also increasing the jobs in demand in the market. You can see that this is the job vacancy trend we have for Microsoft 365 engineers. And you can see that we have a consistent growth here since the time it launched in 2015. Now, if you look at a little bit more about this certification, this is fundamental level certification. And at the time of recording, Microsoft has these 6 fundamental certification. And right now we are looking at Microsoft 365. And I have separate course on AI 900, which is artificial intelligence fundamental, and DP 900, which is data fundamental. And very soon I'm going to have course on SC 900 and AZ 900 also. But the point I'm trying to convey here is this is the starting point to get expertise into a particular domain. So if you look at this slide here, right now we are looking at here fundamental level of Microsoft 365, and after clearing this certification you can take associate level certification. For example, you can get more expertise in particular domain like Microsoft 365 desktop or the security or so on, and after that you can take expert level certification in mobility and security or identity and services and so on. And once you clear this certification, you are going to get this badge and this certificate, which you can share on your social media account. You can share on your LinkedIn, on your resume, and this is definitely going to give you more visibility or more credibility in front of HR or your hiring manager. Now let's quickly look at what we are going to cover in this exam. So if you search for Microsoft or MS-900 exam, very first link you will get here, which is the official page from Microsoft. Now here they have mentioned that what kind of skills they are going to test in the exam and what kind of knowledge they are expecting the candidate should have before he or she going to appear in the exam. Now if you scroll down a little bit here, you can schedule your exam from here, and if you're affected by COVID for whatever reason, you can schedule this exam in just a $15. Otherwise the normal cost of this exam is $99. Actually it depends on which country you are in, so if you select different country here, this price will change accordingly. Now scroll down a little bit further here and you can see that what are skills Microsoft is going to test here, and you can see that we have 4 sections here, and the first one is, for example, the cloud concepts, which is going to cover 10 to 15% of the exam. Now this covers very basic fundamental understanding about cloud, like what is cloud, what are the benefits of cloud, the deployment options and types of services and so on. In the next section, basically we are going to look at what are different services we have under Microsoft 365 umbrella, and there are a lot actually. And we are going to see that how these services are actually increasing the productivity of the organizations, and how these services or the tools or the applications we have are automating or simplifying the processes we have in organizations. So we are going to look at this in detail, and you can see that this is going to cover 30 to 35% of the exam. And then we'll look at different securities and compliance and privacy and trust and all these sort of things from Microsoft 365 applications, and this is going to cover 30 to 35% of the syllabus. And in the last domain, we are going to look at the pricing and support for Microsoft 365. So there are different types of products and different types of subscription we have, and we are going to look at all of those. Now if you look at here, download the exam skills outline, and if you open this in a new tab here, which I've already opened here, you can look at all of these skills in detail. For example, in cloud, what exactly are subsections or the different skills they are expecting, and you can see that we have a lot here. But don't worry, we are going to cover each and every technology, each and every objective of this exam in our course. Alright, so my name is Ishant Garg, and I have around 16 years of experience in IT industry, and from last 1.5 year I have created several courses on Udemy, and at the time of recording I have almost around 80,000 students with more than 12,000 reviews and above 4.6 rating. So I'm happy that I'm able to help students in their career growth. And this is my website, learncloud.info, where I have listed my all other courses and a lot of other important information. Now, moving forward, who exactly should take this course? If anyone wants to clear MS-900 exam, probably this is the right course for him. And anyone who may want to learn basics of Microsoft 365 are also welcome to take this course. And I just want to make sure that we understand that this course is ultra focused on exam objectives. So if you're looking for in-depth knowledge on particular technology or some other part or feature of this Microsoft 365 technology, this may not be the right course for you, because now I'm covering everything you need to know to clear this certification. But at the same time, we should understand that this is fundamental level certification. This is not expert level certification. So we are not going into in-depth knowledge on any of these technologies. So basically in this certification, Microsoft wanted to make sure that you understand what are all different tools and applications we have in Microsoft 365. What is their purpose? How we use them. You can compare them. You can choose the right tool in a given scenario or in a particular situation. You know that what are different security options we have, what are different compliance options we have, how these tools can improve the company or your organization productivity, how they can automate those things. So these kind of things we are going to cover in this course. And you can see that there is absolutely no prerequisite for this course, as this is fundamental level course. So whether you have IT background or you're coming from non-IT background, you are welcome to take this course. Now this course includes almost 11 hours of video content. It has a practice test, a lot of quiz questions. I'm going to provide you the PPT, demo resources, other study material, reference material. Everything you need to clear this certification will be included in this course. And at the end of this course, you are going to get certification of course completion from Udemy. And this course have full lifetime access. So whatever I'm going to update in the future, you are going to get that update without paying again for this course. And like any other course on Udemy, you are going to get 30 days money back guarantee. So you can see that there's absolutely no risk involved here. But once again, thank you for checking out, and I'm really very happy and excited, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.